From backyard enthusiasts to urban gardeners, people are embracing the therapeutic benefits of cultivating green spaces amidst the bustle of daily life. For some, it's more than just growing plants, it's a lifestyle.
My mum has always been a gardener, so I just kind of grew up around soil. And then, during the pandemic, I got obsessed with houseplants and I just learned a lot through just having a passion for it.
Royal Horticultural Society introduced National Gardening Week back in 2012. The theme for this year's Knowledge is Flower. The Society's strategy to 2030 is creating a world where gardening is embraced by more people to build a healthier and thriving environment. Gardening is not just connecting to the earth, but also reaping its rewards.
Well, I think as time goes on, people don't like big gardens anymore. People would rather have a small patch to cultivate. I think if you can encourage people to get out and enjoy a garden and work in it, grow things, see them coming up, it's actually very satisfying.
In Nottingham, the Hardy Plants Society, a leading gardening charity, foresees a trend that will shape the future of gardening enthusiasts.
Gardening for mental health, I think, will become more and more important, especially if doctors are prescribing gardening for people rather than popping a pill.
Each year, National Gardening Week sees people share their love for gardening. Jennifer Okolo, CBJ News.